today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace how to change the email address on the contact form. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and go to your site. From the left sidebar, head into the Pages panel and navigate to the page that contains your contact form. Once you're on that page, click Edit so you're working inside the page editor. Hover over the contact form until you see its controls, then open the form settings. Depending on your version, this may look like a gear icon or an edit button right on the form block. Inside the form settings, look for the area where submissions are sent. This is usually labeled Storage or Email. You'll see the current address that's receiving notifications. Click that existing address to edit it, remove it if needed, and type in the new email you want to receive form submissions. Take a moment to check for typos, because even one wrong character will send messages into the void. When you're done, confirm the change so the new address shows as the active destination. If Squarespace prompts you to verify or confirm the connection, go ahead and follow that prompt in your inbox before moving on. Now back out of the form settings to return to the page editor. If your contact page also displays an email address in a text block, like a line that says "Email us at," click into that text area and update it to match the new address. This keeps your on-page information consistent with where the form actually delivers messages. If that text is linked, make sure the link updates to the new Mail To address as well. When everything looks right, click Save at the top to publish your changes. Saving is important here. If you close the editor without saving, the form will keep sending to the old address. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. After saving, submit a short test message through your contact form to confirm that notifications arrive in the new inbox. If you don't see it within a minute, check your spam or promotions folder and mark it as not spam so future messages land correctly. If you have multiple contact forms across different pages or sections, repeat these same steps on each form block, since each one has its own storage settings. And if you're working with team members, make sure they know about the change so they're checking the right inbox. That's it. You've successfully updated the email address connected to your Squarespace contact form, kept your on-page text in sync, and saved your changes so visitors can reach you at the correct